Hi there guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram Reels after posting. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom. And here you need to come on to the Reels section. Select any reel, click on three dots. Here you can see option manage remix, delete. So click on manage. Here you can see option of edit, turn off commenting, but here you can see there is option of edit. So click here, you can tag people, add location, edit paid partnership label and advanced settings. So here you can see show captions. So there is no option, so the method possible is you simply need to delete that reel and post that reel again and collaborate on your reel. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.